Only legends subscribe before the next video drops. Be one of them. In today's class, we have solved the equation 2 into power v squared is equal to 1 over v. And the equation has a solution. I can solve it. Okay? And if I want to solve this question now, what I will do is this. I will square both sides. I will square both sides. That is 2 power v squared, all in bracket, power 2 is equal to 1 over v in bracket power 2. Okay? So when I simplify this, we will have 2 into power 2v squared is equal to 1 over v squared. Okay? So this, I will group this like this. And this 2 power 2 is the same thing as what? 4. And this v squared that we have here, look at it here, v power 2, is equal to 1 over v squared. Okay? Now, the next thing that I will do now is I will make an assumption. Let v squared be y. Meaning that wherever I see v squared, I will substitute it with y, which is 4y is equal to 1 over y. I can apply isomorphism method here and look at what isomorphism stipulates. It stipulates that if we have x power x equal to w power w, that x is equal to what? W. Okay? So how do we make this equation to be isomorphic? We can make it to be isomorphic by taking this exponent, this y, to the other side. How will we take this y to the other side? We can take it to the other side by multiplying the exponents by what? By the reciprocal of y. And reciprocal of y is what? 1 over what? Y. I mean inverse, 1 over what? Y, which is 4 power y multiplied by 1 over y, okay, is equal to 1 over y. Note that this, the exponent is what? 1 multiplied by 1 over y. By so doing, this will be what? Eliminated, because y over 1 multiplied by 1 over y will give us 1. So what we have here now is 2 power 2. This 4 that we have here is the same thing as what? 2 power 2 is equal to 1 over y of power 1 over y. So what this means now is that 2 is equal to 1 over y. And this same 2, this exponent that we have here, which is 2, is equal to 1 over y. That is 1 over y is equal to what? 2. But remember that we made an assumption. We assumed y to be v squared. So I will substitute it. I will replace it immediately. We will now have 1 over v squared is equal to what? 2. Okay? So when I cross multiply, we will have v squared is equal to 1 over 2. So what it means now is that v is equal to plus minus 1 over 2 in bracket power 1 over 2. And the negative sign will not go. The one that will go is the positive. So therefore, v is equal to square root of 1 over 2. That is the answer. So if you doubt me, you can plug this here. You will observe that you will arrive at the same answer. Thank you for watching my video. See you in next video. Bye bye.